Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mari, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited for this one because we are transforming into the Genie. If you guys are familiar with Aladdin, you guys know who this blue genie is. It is inspired actually by Nicole Guerrero's transformation herself. I really loved how she did it and I had to just take on the challenge myself. So yeah, this is my completed Genie look. So if you guys are interested to see how I turned myself into this Genie, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so I am so excited for this Halloween makeup look. This may be my last one. I don't know, I might do one more, but I'm not too sure. This may be the last Halloween makeup look of 2020 and I feel like I had to end it with a bang. I hope it comes out the way I planned. But I saw Nicole Guerrero do this Genie makeup look and I was like, I need to try it. So we're going to be doing the Genie from Aladdin. So I'm painting my whole self blue and I was dreading this because I was like, do I really want to paint myself blue? But I was like, come on. It's literally Halloween. We have to get these videos out and I know I'm gonna be mad at myself if I don't do it. So that's what we're gonna do. So I went ahead and put my hair in this like half up, half down pony. I was gonna do a full pony, but I think it looks cuter with a little half up, half down. And then I put like this gold scrunchie just to make it like more modernized. Also because that's the only gold scrunchie or gold thing that I had. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into this tutorial and go crazy with some blue makeup. Okay, so I have like a lot of palettes here with some blue eyeshadow. I have some blue face paint. I think I want to mix like the blue face paint with some foundation just so I can get some coverage in there, because when I just go in with the paint itself, I don't really like it. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to be taking a Morphe M224 brush. I actually used blue on this one already, so I'm just going to use the same thing. So I'm going to take this Amazon face paint palette and I'm going to take the blue and I'm going to place it on the back of my hand because I'm going to mix that in with some foundation just to get some coverage going on. And I'm using my Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Foundation. Make sure to get a lot of blue out because that's obviously the main color. And mix it on the back of my hand. Obviously, I might have to go in with some more blue or more foundation just to get the desired look. And just start to put the paint all over. And then also going in with some foundation too, just to mix it in. See how it's starting to get a little lighter? That's when you want to go in with some more blue. And then I'm going to take this beauty sponge that I have from Amazon and just use it to kind of blend it out. And then go a little bit on the ear. And also down the neck. This is going to be a very long process. So if you're planning on doing this look, plan on being here for a while. I think I'm gonna get a bigger brush and kind of pull like a chunk of the blue out. And to continue to mix on the back of the hand. This would be so much better if I had one of those like paint palettes to mix everything in, but I don't, so I'm just gonna use what I have. I'm gonna take my shirt down like this because we gotta paint her blue. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and make some concealer. So I have my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand again. And then go in to this Wet n Wild face palette and take this light blue right here And I'm gonna mix that with the concealer so we can get like a brighter blue so we can like highlight, you know? See how we have like a highlight moment going on? I'm gonna add a little bit more of the blue right here. All right, so now we're gonna go in with some translucent powder. I'm gonna take the air sponge powder and use that same beauty sponge. Make sure everything is blended out. And then start to set the rest of the face with the beauty sponge. And then for the body, I'm not going to set too much of it right now, just because we're not really going to touch it. But for the face, you really want to make sure everything is set, because that's where we're going to like contour and stuff. Okay, so now I want to contour a bit, so I'm going to take the James Charles palette and take this black shade right here and begin to contour a bit. And then I'm going to take this blending brush by BH Cosmetics to contour the nose a bit. And then I kind of want to add some like a blush moment, and I feel like purple would look good to highlight the cheeks a little bit. So I'm going to go into the Morphe 25L palette and take like this purple shade right here with the pink. Just a little bit right here. It kind of gives a little blush effect, but more of like a purple glow. Okay, so now for the brows, I'm going to take that same black shade from the James Charles palette using a small angled brush by Sigma and begin to carve out the brows. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the brows. I also need to fill in my hairline because it's freaking, I'm balding. So I'm going to take some black shadow and fill that in really quick because it's bothering me. If you ever have this problem, just take some black shadow and fill it in. You see that? The difference? Okay, so now for the eye look, I'm going to go into the Life of the Fiesta palette from Kara Beauty. And I'm going to take the black shade, which is Dance All Night, using that same angled brush. And I'm kind of going to carve like a little flick, like kind of like a liner but with shadow up here. See how it flicks like that? And then same thing to this side. I'm going to take this E30 brush by Sigma and still use that black shade but begin to blend it out a little more. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M514 brush to blend it out a bit up here. And then I'm going to go back into the light blue shade right here and apply that like I'm cutting the crease a bit, kind of just by packing it on. I'm carving out where I put the black shadow and then pack it on and then pat it out with my finger so it's not too harsh. Okay, so I'm going like into a lot of palettes, but it's just what works. I'm gonna take this Constellation palette by Focaler. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'll have everything linked down below. And I really want this glittery shadow right here. It's gorgeous. It's called Aquarius. And I'm going to apply that with my finger right on top of where I cut the crease. Oh my god, yes, that looks so good. And then very lightly at the end. And then go in with a little bit more of that black shade just to intensify where we cut the crease. And then I want to highlight the inner corner a little bit, so I'm going to take the Flower After Hours by Kara Beauty and take this silver white shade and apply that into the inner corner. Alright, so now we're going to do some wing liner. I'm going to take this Kara Beauty Liquid Waterproof Eyeliner and draw a wing. So she had like these really pretty jewels, and I think I'm gonna do the same because it looks really nice. So I'm going to take the small jewels and begin to place them around like the eyebrows and the eyes. And then I'm gonna smoke a little bit on the lower lash line, whatever was left on the black shadow brush. And then put another gem on the bottom. Alright. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply some lashes now. So I'm actually gonna take these lashes by A1 Lashes in the style Barbie. I really like these because they're very long, and I feel like this look deserves very long dramatic lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off camera, and then we'll be right back to finish up the look. So I went ahead and put on these lashes, which look bomb, and now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara. I'm gonna apply that onto the lashes as well as the lower lash line. Okay, so now for the lips. I don't really have like a blue lipstick, so again I'm gonna go into the paint palette. I'm gonna take the dark blue but also mix a little tiny bit of black just to give it a little darker look, and just use this like flat eyeshadow brush to apply it. See how the black kind of made it a little darker? Alright guys, so that is it for the lips. Now to finish up the look, I want to add in some gold jewelry. So I have like these gold hoops that I'm going to put on, and then as well as this like gold necklace. I feel like it'll really bring the look together. Beware, it might get some blue paint on it. Just so you know. Yeah, so as for like the body paint, you could go in and apply more, but for the sake of this video, I feel like this is enough. But obviously for Halloween, you'll want like a whole blue outfit, or like Nicole Guerrero, put on blue gloves to make it look better, but I feel like this is enough. Alright guys, so this is the completed Genie Halloween makeup look, and I am obsessed on the way that this came out. I just love the way this looks. It looks like a bougie genie, like with the jewelry and like the glitter eyeshadow and the jewels and all that. Shout out to Nicole Guerrero for posting this look, because I was like, I have to create it. It looks so bomb, and I'm honestly so happy on the way that like it turned out, the way I did it. I love it. So yeah, that is all for today's Halloween makeup look. This is my last Halloween makeup look of 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed all my tutorials. I really loved trying different looks and transforming myself, because it's definitely a challenge, but then at the end I'm so happy with the outcome when it comes to like Halloween transformations. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this year's Halloween makeup looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. Link will be down below. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!